What's up, you guys? I am back with another video on this cute fall makeup look. If you are new here, make sure you definitely subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. So I'm starting off with my brows already done with Ardell Brow Pomade in the color Dark Brown, and then just cleaning up that brow line with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Pure Beige. I'm doing that on the top and the bottom, you all, just to make my brows look crispy. Then I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C1 for my lid, just to prep for the eyeshadow so that it's popping, y'all, and then buffing that out, smoothing it out with one of my Real Techniques brushes. So for the eyeshadow, y'all, I'm using the Dark Magic Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe, and I'm using that first color, it's Inside Job, and I'm going in with my Morphe smudge brush, and I'm putting that all in my crease, you guys, and on the corner, kind of making a diagonal type of, I don't know what to really call it, but y'all see from the video how it's looking. So basically, I'm gonna be doing that on both eyes, and I'm just gonna be kind of bringing it a little bit above the crease as well. Then next, going in with the taper crease brush from Morphe in that same dark green color Inside Job, and just smoking out that green that I already put on my lid, you all. And then I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Pure Beige, and I'm about to do a cut crease using my M167 brush by Morphe, just to create that cut crease. And I'm kind of winging it out for a more dramatic effect, you all, and just following my eye shape. So, you know, yours might not look exactly like mine's, but, you know, you can do something similar. And if you know how to do like a cat eye with your liquid liner, it's pretty much the same process. So I'm going to be doing that on both of my lids. Anybody has small lids like me, just make sure you go a little bit above your actual lid, just so it creates like that effect that you have a bigger eye and you're actually able to see the eyeshadow. In the corner on top of that concealer, I'm going in with my Morphe small chisel brush, and with that color Inside Job, just because we kind of lost it when we put the concealer on top. And I'm kind of just, you know, making sure that I'm getting in the corner, and that's the reason why I use that small brush, so that, you know, I don't want it like a smoky, like I kind of want it to be really crisp for the eye. And then I'm also going to be using from that same palette the black color called Temptress with that same small chisel brush. And then next, I'm going in with the color Potion with a more firm blender brush from Morphe, and I'm just gonna basically blend that black and that like olive color together. All right, y'all, we almost done with the lid, but we going in with the color Poof from that same palette with our Morphe line definer brush, and we just basically using that on the inner lid, you all, and then kind of bringing it over into that green on the top and the bottom to make it look like it's like fading as one, as an ombre, and not so distinct as just like one color. We want to make it look very smooth and transition very well. So after we put that on with that brush, we're gonna go back in with that same blender brush that we used for Potion, and we're just gonna blend those two colors together. Y'all know I have to be extra, right? So I'm definitely gonna be adding some glitter, and I'm gonna be using my Stila Cosmetics glitter in the color Diamond Dust. You could use an eyeliner pencil to do that, and just put it in that crease. Add some more oomph, y'all, to the look. We going in with this Sephora crayon shadow, and I don't know what color this is. It's the blue one. If I find it, I will definitely link it down below. And I just think this gives it a great pop, this eyeshadow look. Honestly, it's kind of stepping outside the comfort zone, so any bright color I feel like you could definitely use. And then we're gonna smoke out underneath the blue with that same Inside Job color, you all. For my highlight, I'm using the Black Radiance Contour Palette in the color medium to dark. And then in my inner corners, I'm going back to that same Jaclyn Hill palette in the color Power Cut. And then we're just going to be lining our lips with a brown liner. For our lipstick, I'm going to be using the NYX Lingerie Lippy number 2. I don't feel like I needed to do too much, honestly. And then I just added a new gloss on the top. I just got it from the beauty supply, so nothing special, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on this fall eyeshadow look. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below. And I will see you guys next week.